Bro, this entire thing is shaking. I'm actually gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Get me off. Get me off, please. Stop it. Stop. Oh my gosh. Alright, what's up guys? We're out here on this nice little trail that I found that's kind of nice. Close to my house. But I decided to bring out the camera. The little camera kit. So we got a Canon EOS R100. And then the lens that I'm using is also a Canon 55 to 210 millimeter. And then I also brought the little GoPro. We're gonna get some POV shots, and then yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of just gonna walk around, film whatever I see, take some pictures of whatever I see. Oh my gosh, look at all those big birds. Wow, they're beautiful. Trying to get all of them in the shot here. Just wish the background was a little better, but here's what it is. Man. See if I can get some video here. There's so many birds over there. Jeez Louise, man. You see all those? Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh, that's cool. I was not expecting this many birds to be out here right now. Oh, look at that cardinal. Oh, where did it land? Oh. I gotta get this. Wish I had my tripod. Try and get more video of these roseate spoonbill. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude our video out here taking some pictures. If you would like the video, that would be really awesome. These videos take a lot of time to edit and do all that stuff. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.